So I have already created my fill layer with the white color. I am on Pixel Studio. And now if you want to import brushes, so for example, I'm going to select the paintbrush and now select the brush panel here. So if you don't have the brush panel here, just go to Window, General, and then check the brushes. And now if I left click, this is the categories here, acrylics, basic, dry media. If you left click, for example, I'm going to left click here on the basic here. So as you can see, there are a lot of brushes. So now in order to import a new brush, left click here on the little arrow here and then scroll down. So here it is, import brush. I'm going to left click. So you will need to go where your brush is located. So for example, it's this one here. So this is the file I have downloaded. I will put the link of this brush here in the description box. So you will need to unzip it using WinRAR or 7-zip. So this is the file. So now I'm just going to exit here. And now I'm just going to double click on this one here. It will install the new brush on Affinity. So as you can see, the extension is ABR. Double click. So here it is, brushes imported successfully. Import 20 raster brushes into category 20 dispersion brushes. Press OK. And now if I left click here on the categories, so here's the new brushes I imported. So I'm going to left click. So let's say I'm going to select this one here. So now I'm going to go to the layers tab. Let's create a new pixel layer, left click. And now I'm going to left click. So here it is. Control Z to undo. You can also decrease the size. So here, you left click here on more. So you can see the changes here. For example, I will increase the spacing. So now, for example, if you want to remove this brush here, so let's go back to the brush panel. So if you want to remove only one brush, so one of the brushes from the category, right click on it and then select delete brush. So let's delete it. So here it is. Are you sure you want to delete dispersion 2? Click yes. And if you want to delete a category, so for example, I am on 20 dispersion brushes category. I'm going to left click on this arrow here and then just click on delete category. So here it is. Are you sure you want to delete brush category 20 dispersion brushes? Click yes. So here it is. If I left click, so we have successfully deleted the brushes we just imported.